shopping at Costco and I'm giving you all the deals. Don't tell anyone, okay? We're at Costco today. It looks really good.
This is a great deal.
Hey guys, today I'm dishing my 5 secrets to save up to 75% at Costco. There's a million YouTube videos about how to save on groceries. I've made a lot of them, but today we are focusing on those things you had no idea you could save on from Costco.
Holy cow! Next level.
Bougie on a budget. You don't want to miss these tips. The furniture. And the first is furniture. Furniture stores inflate their prices by 100 to 200%, and yes, this is a real thing. So how does Costco do it? It's because they promise they won't mark up anything more than 14%, even on furniture, and it's all the same quality. They have these rolling carts here that would be perfect in the kitchen, and these are $3.99. And nothing in it is particle board. This is all solid wood, and better yet, it comes fully assembled, so that's good. This is the one on Instagram you guys were asking about, and it even has soft close doors, which is awesome. And I'm gonna keep it real with you guys. It's inexpensive, so you have to move it yourself. Good luck. All right, I can probably slip through. Yeah, maybe.
Jiminy crickets.
But for us, it was definitely worth it. This would easily retail for over $2,000, and we paid less than a quarter of that. Compared to Pottery Barn, nearly identical pieces are a fraction of the price. Here's how you can tell quality furniture. See how the wood stitches together like this on the side? You know it's a really quality piece, plus soft close drawers. The cushions actually zip onto the back. Wow. Even things like lamps and other household fixtures can be direct copies of what you are seeing at the really high-end stores. Right now, Pottery Barn sells this lamp for $300, and Costco has the same exact one for 50 bucks. It's beautiful.
Thank you, I'm biased, but it was a good deal.
It's also Jess's. My family always jokes that I go infomercial Kathryn when I get super excited about stuff. This video is not sponsored, by the way. I just really think these are good deals. But wait, there's more. Don't forget about the rugs. They are the best price I have ever seen for the size and quality. The really high pile ones are your best bet. They're really high quality. This entryway rug is $6.97. They were like $30 at Target. Next are home items, which you may not necessarily think Costco first, but they have appliances and basically all of your needs for home renovation. I always check there before I go to the hardware store because I save about 50%. Some of my favorite deals are basic housewares, which are gonna be more limited stock, but they're the really high quality stuff that Costco pushes through. And they oftentimes have a lot of instant savings on those little upgrades for your home. This is really nice.
It has that farmhouse look on a budget.
And their return policy is ridiculously generous. They'll pretty much take anything back, even if it's used. Some of the most incredible deals you'll find will be on home maintenance. Things like light bulbs and air filters. Huge savings. Oh my goodness, that would be like 4 times the price at any other store.
It's $10 here, but $23 at Walmart.
Wow, the more you know.
The more you save.
That's it. At our last house, I can vouch for these lanterns. They work, I got them, and they are only $40 a piece. That is an insane price. Next, my favorite section, the homewares. It's pretty much all name brands. If you have wire shelves in your pantry, this is an incredible deal. The contact shelf liner is 20 bucks. $16 for a cotton rope hamper. This thing is huge and is awesome for toys, stuffed animals, everything. So these candles are on sale for $12. You get 3. These would be great teacher gift ideas. I love it. These retail for about $50 and they're on sale for just $23. You're probably wondering, how are they doing that? I've always wondered too, so I Googled it. It's because they have a really strong Kirkland brand, they have no ad budget, and a warehouse setup for super low overhead. Check this out. This is $27 at Costco. The same thing is $44 on Amazon. Oh my gosh. Are you ready for Costco Facts? A 7 at the end of the price tag means this version of the item is never coming back to the store. An asterisk means it's pending delete, so you better scoop it up. It's got the asterisk, Jess, you need it.
I do, absolutely. It's going home.
I'm fully gonna be that person that leaves Costco with a sled. These are only $7.97. It better snow this year. These collapsible laundry baskets are on sale for $10, down from $13. Really good for small spaces. Also, one of the best deals in the store are the hangers. They're just 14 bucks. A lot of times outlet stores have lesser quality items, but Costco is not like that, which is why I like shopping here. Eddie Bauer pajamas, $14.99. These are amazing. This exact pajama set is $78 at Macy's and $19.99 here. And they actually have even more on their website. You want to make sure to price compare because sometimes the online price is different from the in-store price. Interesting fact, if you go online to Costco's website, some things actually cost more. This dress is a few dollars more online and it's cheaper in store. So always do that price comparison.
It's only $36 for both of them.
We're getting stuff done today, Jess.
We are.
This is a really nice jacket. Next are the bougie extras that Costco hits out of the park. Wedding rings. Diamond jewelry is an incredible deal from Costco. In 2020, it was one of the top diamond retailers, and studies show they undervalue stones by 17%.
So I'm all about that.
It appraised higher than you paid for?
It did, much higher, and no one knows it's from Costco, so it's my little secret.
Except for now the whole internet.
Yeah, hi everyone.
Their flowers cannot be beat. If you've got a wedding coming up or a big event, they do all of that straight from their website. If you browse Pinterest, you can get tons of ideas that can literally be replicated from Costco. Their wine selection is phenomenal and up to 40% off what you'd see anywhere else. And lots of places are very willing to sell quality wine to Costco because Costco can move a lot of product. If you're not a wine enthusiast and don't have a lot to spend, the point system here spells it out for you. Look for the highest points. This one is $97 and $13. This is a great bottle of wine to take anywhere. Did you like this video? Leave it a big thumbs up and drop a comment down below of your favorite item from Costco. I love hearing from you guys and learning from you too. Subscribe, join the Dime Tribe because I have tons of content coming up just for you. I'll see you guys soon. Bye. Oh, this is a sleeper autumn. Strawberry mimosa? Where's Owen? Where's Owen?